Hi, so today I'm going to show you a cool trick. So you've seen a lot of videos nowadays come with captions embedded in them. That's because captions are very useful for viewers. It helps you keep pace with what the speaker is saying, and if you can't understand the speaker's accent, or you want to just have some visual cues, then captions are very, very handy. Now, captions are usually added by video creators after recording the video, so it's an editing job. But today I'm going to show you something that's going to save you a lot of time, and that is auto-captioning the videos during recording. So this is going to help you avoid having going through the hassle of adding captions after making the video. It's going to save you a bunch of time. And here's how we do it. And we are going to use a feature of Google Slides to make this happen. So to do it, I want to open a new tab with Google Slides. And I create a blank slide. And I'm going to quickly demo the feature that Google Slides has. So this is a blank presentation, and when you put Google Slides in the present mode and you enable captions, Google Slides is going to transcribe everything you say. So this is very useful for auto-captioning your videos. Now we want to combine the power of Google Slides auto-captioning with the content that we want to make for our video. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well, because you want to basically have the Google Slides in the background as well as the content that you want to speak about. So I'm going to reduce the size. I want to exit full screen from Google Slides. And I'm going to push this to a new window. Okay, so now we have Google Slides in the background. I'm going to move my camera up here so it does not overlap the captions. And let's go back to the screen I want to record. I'm going to make this also not full screen. I'm going to put Google Slides in the background. And okay, this is also full screen, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the back. I'm going to select my content, and I'm going to reduce the size of this so that the captions show up at the bottom. Okay, so we're good to go now. Now we're recording a video with Google Slides doing the auto captioning in the background. And I'm going to disable captions because we want to reset it before making our video, and I'm going to re-enable it now. And now I start recording. And as you can see, I'm making a video here, and this is an intro video I want to make for Outclip. And as I'm recording it, and I can go through the steps, we can have automated captions at the bottom. So this is the trick I wanted to show you. This trick was in fact shared by Matthew Ma on Twitter, and I thought this was very cool and could be useful to a lot of people. So I wanted to make a video of it. So I hope you found this useful, and try to use this for auto captioning your videos. So the moment your video is done recording, you will basically have an auto captioned video. And I'm going to stop recording this.